What is up, Bread Gang? How are y'all doing today? We are headed to, I would consider the upgrade of caffeine and octane today. Caffeine and exotics, nothing but exotics. We're headed out there my first time. I mean, to start the morning off, we got the Aston Martin, and we see it right there, and the all-white Bentley out here. I mean, we're rolling up in style. One thing before I start the video, I want to make sure y'all go subscribe to my boy Jordan here. He's doing big things, he's starting off early, and he has got huge things ahead of him. So y'all make sure, hit the link in the top of the description. I've never put anybody above my link before. Top of the description, y'all make sure to go subscribe to his channel, and we're gonna ride out.
That's what I'm talking about.
I want to make this known very clearly before we get into this set. I've never been anything faster than like a Challenger or something, so I'm scared.
You can see all the cars from like the rooftop almost.
That's awesome.
And it's nothing but exotic.
It wouldn't be a great video if we didn't do a 2-minute restaurant review today. Pit Stop Kitchen, sausage biscuit. What you got over here?
Sausage biscuit.
Sausage biscuit. We're gonna give it a try. You guys know what it is. 2-minute restaurant reviews. This looks like a solid little sausage biscuit. I mean, this, I'm really genuinely excited about this. That's it right there. That's it. A little bit less than 2 minutes, but you guys get the gist. Pit Stop Kitchen, caffeine and exotics, the gas. We're in full swing. One of the things I wanted to do with you guys today is show you guys my 3 favorite cars out here. I mean, there's so many different.
Caffeine and exotics. Thanks for coming out for your Sunday.
We got interrupted that quick. Anyway, I want to show you guys my 3 favorite cars while we're out here. I'm going to try and make them different. I'm a huge Lamborghini guy, so maybe I'll only make one of them a Lamborghini. But let's go take a look at my 3 favorite cars. We come 5 hours from Tallahassee, where there's $20 million in cars here, the announcer just said, and we come to take a look at the one lifted car that's here. Of course, number 1 on the list. I'm gonna start number 1 is the G-Wagon, obviously. Let's see, we got some, I mean, it's got your typical black wheels on it, but I love the ridge graps. The ridge graps just set it off. It's probably got a little bit of a lift on it, but obviously number 1 just because it's the only lifted vehicle here. So gotta show some love to the lifted ridge graps. I mean, I was not expecting to see that here, but beautiful car. I love it. Definitely would like to see more of these. Car number 2 today on the list. I love the blue on this Rolls Royce. I'm a big fan of the Rolls Royce. I love the lights that they have on the top. Huge fan of that. Suicide doors on it. I mean, you can't get any more iconic supercar than this. Got the custom wrapped wheels to go with the dark blue, or this kind of royal blue. I love this color. If you can see it in the light. Either way, just a beautiful car. Love the color. Just very iconic. Number 2 on the list. And then number 3, I showed you guys earlier, the Lamborghini Urus. A beautiful car. Probably 3rd favorite. Huge Lamborghini fan, but I really love this car. Got the gold wheels, white, beautiful V12. mean, it's just awesome. I would drive the hell out of this thing. If I could lift it, I'd find a way to lift it too. Goal is to make it up there. That's the goal. We're gonna make it up top somehow. Challenge accepted. We're trying to make it up to the top. That's our goal. We do have VIP wristbands. Huge shout out to Lewis for making that happen. You're the man.
With the ham.
Man with the ham?
Man with the ham.
I guess,
No,
okay.
man with the ham.
Man, ham with the, whatever.
That's it,
Anyway,
that's
he's awesome.
It's
But
the man with the hand, because he has like,
Man
fixes, like everybody's cars.
with the hand. Okay, thank you. But that's where we're going. We're going up top. Nope, locked. We're going this way. Okay. Made it in. Stairs. Had to get a muffin. I want you guys to know that we took this elevator up right here, and we spent a good 5 minutes in the elevator just for it to take us right up those stairs around the corner. Like that, biggest fail of the day by far. Very hot, very great day, great opportunity, such a blessing to be out here. While I got him alone, his minute on the spotlight, thank you so much to my dude Lewis. Greatest guy in the world, best guy that I've met so far up here.
Thank you.
Just awesome guy, huge things in store. I can't wait. Super excited for all the opportunities. But had a great day out here at Caffeine and Exotics, and we are gonna go for a little ride. I'm kind of scared, but
Should be.
look at it. So look at all the kinds of cool cars out here. If y'all have never been to something like this, again, y'all know I'm from somewhere where I never see anything like this. Look, there's a fur wrapped Maserati in front of me. Are we allowed to touch it? I kind of want to.
That has to be like...
Dude, that's like actual fur wrap. That's awesome. Like, you just don't see stuff like that every day. I mean, that's insane. But we're gonna go for a little ride. He's gonna make me scream like a girl. We'll get some pictures and just have a good day. And hey, I'm dropping it right now. It's been on my Instagram. I've got shirts for sale. My first pre-orders just finished up. I've knocked them out. I think we sold out the first, 10 or 15 that I was gonna do in like 5 or 6 hours, and that was in the middle of the night last night. So you guys stay tuned, stay watching my Instagram. The shirts are coming. They're gonna look very similar to this. I know you guys are excited, so stay tuned. Oh, the Mustang.
Oh.
Still coming over. Whoa! Oh! We made it. Coolest, whoa, before I fall off this ledge. Coolest spot that I've ever been to in my life. Great, absolutely great day. One for the books. Huge shout out to Lewis, Jordan, and the whole fam taking me in as one. And then to end it in such a beautiful spot. I mean, you don't get anything like this in Florida. Nothing even close. So just a huge blessing to be out in such a beautiful place. So much great stuff on the way. I know I said it earlier in the video. Merch shirts, Let's Get This Bread shirts are on. They're not on Instagram. Just hit me up and we'll make it happen for you there. My first batch is gonna ship out later this week. You guys are the best. I will see you next time. More truck content on the way. I know you guys have been waiting on that. It's been nothing but cars, but stick with me. I promise it's on the way. See you guys next time. As always, next time you won't have to look at me saying it because you might have one of these shirts on yourself, but I'll say it anyway. Let's get this bread.